Welcome back to the another video of Python Outlook automation, and this is the third video where we will see how to automate Outlook emails using Python, and that time how to filter emails for a date range and how to filter emails for last and days. So in many scenarios it will be required like you have to filter the emails between two different dates. That time you can apply this filter from here. Please hit the like button to support my channel. Share your feedback in comments. From the last video, what we have seen is how to apply filter based on the attachment. So 0 and 1, 0 no attachment, 1 has attachment in this filter query. And this is the which I have commented these two queries. Like this is the filter query for subject contains these keywords which are highlighted. You can change the keywords of your choice. And this is the when we are filtering the emails by sender name. So if you are interested to see this code, you can pause the video, but now I will delete them because we have the different subject for this video. Alright, so now we require a filter query. So I am filtering the emails for two different date ranges, 27th October 22 to 31st October 22, and you can keep these values as variable in your projects or in your program as per your requirement. So now I will run this filter query to filter the emails between these two dates. So I have got these four emails between the date range. So you can see the dates here: 31st, 27, 27, 27. Okay, I hope it is clear how will you filter the emails between two different date ranges. Now, the next important thing, how to filter email for last 7 days using Python. I will just delete this query as of now. And the first thing is that we have to define the duration, one more variable which will give us the duration. So here, okay, I will import date time, import date time as dt, and then here I have taken one variable that is duration, and I have minus the date from today till last 7 days. Okay, and then that duration I am converting in the string format. You have the string format here, and then I will create the filter query to filter the emails for last 7 days. All right, so here is the filter query using this duration to filter the emails for last 7 days. I will run this code now. Hit the like button if you have not done yet, and let's see the result for last 7 days. So I have these many emails in last 7 working days. You can have a look on date here. So I hope you understood how will you filter the emails for last 2 days using Python. And this was the last video of the filter and sorting emails using Python. Thank you very much for your time. Please subscribe to the channel for more and more videos.